This 2005 Chevrolet Express Passenger is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. 3500 Express Van Passenger Extended. Adaptive and by-main mobility, 155 wheelbase. Wheelchair side power ramp. Hold-up bench seats. Handicap accessible, 12-passenger van. High ceiling. Floor tie-downs for wheelchair, or at time, cold AC. Handicap plus van. Service record on the Carfax. Power mirrors. Cruise control, 6.0 V8 engine. Chrome front and rear bumper. Good tires all around. Runs and drive-in looks like nice. Only 2 owners. 3,500 under KBB price. Cheap. Auto transmission. We beat everyone in AMP number 39's price. Nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures, Carfax available on every vehicle, must see IT. Call us today, 330-475-4817, or for more pics and deals like this one, please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com or www.importsautoGroup.com for the best deals on passenger vans, wheelchair vans, Dodge Handicap, Grand Caravan, Town and Amp Country Handicap.